और इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करेंगे स्ट्रिंग के मेथड के बारे में। हमने ऑलरेडी प्रीवियस वीडियो में बहुत सारे स्ट्रिंग के मेथड को हमने एक्सप्लेन किया था, जैसे कि इंडेक्स ऑफ मेथड, कैरेट ऑफ मेथड, रिप्लेस मेथड, टू कैर एरे मेथड्स। इसके अलावा हम अब जा रहे हैं इस वीडियो में पढ़ने के लिए कुछ और भी मेथड जो कि बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है। और प्लीज़ आगे बढ़ने से पहले हमारे जावा इज एसम वीडियो को प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दें, लाइक कर दें वीडियो को एंड देन कंटिन्यू। सबसे पहले हम लोग इसमें पढ़ेंगे, हम लोग ने ऑलरेडी पढ़ के हैं इंडेक्स मेथड। इंडेक्स मेथड इज़ नथिंग बट इट विल टेक वन string value and it will return the index of that positions. To char array is nothing but it will convert our string into the array. Caret is nothing but it will take one integer value of particular index of the your string of the index and it will return the particular character. And concatenate is nothing but if you have a two string ABC and you have a ADC, then it will concatenate to each others and it will give to you. So those are the things we are already learned. We already learned the replace method also. Replace means like in your programs have in your string having some unwanted data and you want to replace those with some particular value like empty or some other value, then you can use the replace method in a string. Now I am going to teach you how to use substring method, how to use a split method, how to use compare to method in a string. So let's start. Okay. So first of all हम क्या करते हैं, सबस्ट्रिंग मेथड के बारे में थोड़ा सा देख लेते हैं। तो हमने एक मेन मेथड बनाया और इस मेन मेथड में हम लोग क्या करेंगे, मेन मेथड में हम एक स्ट्रिंग बनाएंगे। स्ट्रिंग s इक्वल टू प्रिंस कुमार, दिस इज वन स्ट्रिंग। सो आई नीड टू यूज सब स्ट्रिंग मेथड। सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल सब स्ट्रिंग मेथड इज इन स्ट्रिंग आई वांट स्ट्रिंग फ्रॉम इंडेक्स नंबर 3 to 6, okay, yeah, 2 to. So for that I can use substring methods. How? S dot substring, S dot substring, because S is an object and a string class having a method called substring. So through S reference we can call our substring method. Substring method is a overloaded method. See this, we have a two substring method. One is taking the parameter called beginning only and one is taking the beginning index and last index also, okay, beginning index and end index also. So if you take one
method overloading,
yeah, method overloading means in the same class having a two method with the same name but different parameter. Okay, so substring, here I will pass only 2. If I pass here 2, what is the output, Priti?
I.
Okay, what is the substring return type? Do you know?
Int.
Not int, a string.
String.
Yes, substring method will return
A string.
a string.
Next position.
Okay, if you don't know what method is returned, what type of the value, you just call those methods, okay, and call this method, and after the semicolon, you have to press control 1. If press control 1, it will give assign a statement to new local variables. So this one you have to select and just select the enter. It will assign the corresponding data type.
Okay.
So this is the substring. You have created one string called substring local variable and you store those data. If I print this, what is the output? I will print substring. So substring means I have written beginning position 2. So it will go 0 1 2.
I print
It will go to the second position. This is the position number
I
0, this is the 1, this is the 2. So it will take from 2 to last because you not given the last index, right? So the method will take to last and store inside this substring, and you can print those substring in the simple way. Why my system is hanging? Okay, so what is our output? INCKUMAR. So it's taking a position from the 2. 2 is nothing but I. Understood? I will tell you in the good way. Okay.
expected only I.
Why expected?
Index position 2 na, 2 only I na.
It will give character like that. Cat. This is not a character, a substring method. The string inside the string they call substring. I will tell you. बहुत टाइम ले रहा है यार, बहुत स्लो चल रहा है ना.
रिबूट मारना पड़ेगा ना.
Okay. So for example, I taken one string here, s equal to double quote Prince Kumar. Fine. Substring means give the start index or end index. Give the start index or end index. It will give those value. For example, if I give the start index is 0 and I will give the end index is 5, then 0, 2, 4, it will give up. Okay. If you give only one starting index, if you give only
One starting in.
starting index, for example, if you given only 0, so it will take from 0, it will print all. If you give index is k, position of the k,
See.
not understood? Okay. I will try to explain you. We have two methods of the substring, right? Method?
2.
Two method. We have a two method substring. One is taking the beginning index. Okay. One is taking the beginning index, and one is taking. We have a two method na. Come on. Okay. Second is substring method, and it will take two index. One is beginning and one is last. It will ask you two index. Give me two index. So, for example, you have a string called, let's take example called only Prince. Okay, I will take the example called only Prince. Prince Kumar is also fine. So, what is the position like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12? what is the size of this string is 12. Okay, size of a string is
12,
12.
11.
11 is character and 1 is space. Space also we need to count now in size. Okay, so RINC 6, 1 is a space, is 7. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7, 5,
12.
12. So size of this string is 12. And if you want to find out the inside this with, so if you give 0 after t, so beginning message, for example 7, this is the 7. So if you give here 7, it will give you a, after the index whatever the value is there, it will return substring method. If you use this method,
This
okay,
substring beginning